There, it's up.
We've got a school.
Wow!
Alright, got a little bloody here. Alright, welcome to Tidal Fishing TV, episode 9 I believe, up to episode 9, series 2. Today we're doing a bit of rock fishing and we found a nice little secluded spot in some deeper water. I think it's about 12 metres, and we're using some really light tackle for this kind of work, 2 to 4 kilo rods and soft plastics, and we've just caught a nice little amberjack. It's the smallest one I've ever seen, but these things pull like a rocket, mate. Like they're the equivalent of the kingfish, and that's got to be the smallest one I've ever seen, but still, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's not even a rat, that's a mouse.
Yeah, it's a mouse, not even a rat. Good point. We're fishing with Drew here. Yeah, really light tackle on soft plastic, so they're a cool little fish, and that's Tidal Fishing's first amberjack. So yeah, we'll just release it now. We'll do it for you.
Oh, he's spinning the wrong way, what a battler.
There he goes. He's off. There.
Got a good one here in Tidal Fishing. What is he? Amber. Oh, it's a slimy.
Yes.
Got him, mate. Yes.
Mate, you just got me the best
Yes.
Yeah.
slimies we get out here.
That's a slimy mackerel.
Holy crap.
Bloody hell,
That horse, mate. We was getting bigger the other week, eh?
It's massive. Look at the colours on its back there. It's a pretty cool looking fish, and it's some of the best bait, especially at this size. That's ridiculous. You got me?
Yeah.
Alright, we're on another slimy mackerel. Okay. Slimy?
Yep. Yep. You gonna get you on that reef,
Oh, he's gonna bust you, dude.
Oh! Mate, just go out and take that. Wait for this swell to bring it up.
Yes.
We've just tried it, sashimi.
Yeah, we just tried this sashimi. It tastes a bit like bonito sashimi, really. But I think that's a bit bigger than that one.
Hold it. You want to give me this swell? Right over here. Oh, come on, mate. Oh, a little bullet. Oh, he's not on it. No, it's not.
Got him. Second cast. Got this nice slimy. Got him? Yeah. That was 2 casts, 2 slimies. 2 casts, 2 slimies just then.
Alright, just another nice slimy mackerel here.
Slimy. Got it. Got him. Yeah. Got it.
Another nice little slimy.
Hook up.
Yeah. Two slimies.
Live favourite all over it.
Yeah, dude, we're getting so
I'm
many.
getting so many of these. Marcus has hooked like, I think this is like 12 each for us.
Yeah, something like that. Onto another one here. I'm on the camera at the moment. Awesome. Let's see if we can get 2 in one shot.
There you go, here we go.
Oh, got another one behind him.
Yeah, there's a few in there.
You've rescued a lot for a savage, yeah?
Yay!
Oh, I'm on again.
You're on, you're on. Two in one shot, bro. Oh yeah, there he goes. Into him.
I can't stop him.
You want to leave him for photos or what?
Oh, it's up to you, bro. Here's the salmon. Lockie's on. Nah, don't bother. We got heat. Lockie's on anyway.
I can't do anything.
His head shakes. This is awesome.
He's holding me in the current. Oh, he's gonna get me.
No, he's not.
He's only a crab.
Kingy on the other hand. Yeah, then we can stretch. Hey, you got salmon.
Well, there he is, jumping.
Off goes the Sambo. Copy me.
Yep, Sambo.
Straight into the reef.
Can we get the net? Dude, this is a 4-minute long clip of 100% fight.
He's not weak. He's not. There he goes. He's off again. Here we go.
It's a bit hard here, but
Here we
exerted.
go. Here we go. Here we go. Got him. Oh, come on. Yeah. Got him. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tidal fishing, rock fishing, this is what happens.
He's on.
Oh, it's just
No, that's a yakka.
Oh, that's a yakka.
That's what you
No! Don't escape. No. No! He's gone.
There goes the yakka. You should have put him on line. That's what's left of the
I've got a
plastic.
testy pop as well on camera. There's only pulled line, we got one on there. This one pulled pretty hard. It could be a small salmon or a bigger. What is he? He's a bigger. Drew's on a Sambo. Been on it for like 2 minutes. He just can't be stopped to film anymore because we're getting so many.
Yeah, boys.
Oh, you're on one. I love being the netsman.
Another little slimy here. Oh, I pulled it. Oh no, he's still there.
That's not a bad salmon, that one. Yeah, we're on here. We got a TLD locked up, losing drag.
Alright, bye.
We got the man himself, Blake Chaffee. Have we seen colour? It's a good Sambo. TL John next door.